Si Daddy Singerman. Daddy, samahan niyo na yung anak ko si Batman. Okay, anyway, everybody, I would like to welcome everyone for Ireland 7th birthday party here at Jollibee. Are you ready? Ayan, parang may kanya-kanya ng mundo ang mga Jollibees natin. Gutom na kayo? Okay, mamaya, later, okay? Ayan. Mommy,